Hi, I'm Alaina, and this is Rig Rundown. On today's Rig Rundown, we're taking a look at the Sherwood job site saw. It's the smallest and most portable table saw in the Sherwood range. Weighing in at only 31 kilos, it's the perfect machine for when you're on site or if you're in a small workshop and you might be a bit pushed for space. But don't let the compact footprint fool you. This machine has a 2 horsepower motor and a 720mm maximum width of cut, so you can happily rip hardwood or break down sheet goods. The 10-inch blade gives a maximum cut height of 80mm. The 5/8 arbor has capacity for a dado stack up to 20mm wide. You can mount the job site saw on a bench top or use the optional stand which folds up to make a trolley. In either configuration, dust extraction is excellent through the twin dust ports. One port is on the blade guard and the other connects to a manifold that surrounds the blade from underneath. Rather than a standard T-style fence, the Sherwood job site saw's fence is adjusted with a rack and pinion drive, and it locks on both the front and the rear rail. Unlike larger machines, the job site saw will plug into a standard 10 amp outlet, so you can use it wherever there's household mains power. Like all Sherwood machinery, the job site saw comes with a 5-year warranty as standard. For more information, click on the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.